Hello everyone, quick questions. Have you ever been stuck copy pasting things one by one on your PC? You like you copied something, then copied another, and suddenly the first one gone. Unlike a phone, Windows doesn't seem to keep a clipboard history, right? And well, it actually does. It's just hidden. Let me show you. Let's just press Windows plus V like this on your keyboard, and it will open the clipboard history panel. If it's your first time, it maybe has a turn on button. So just turn on it. And from now on, Windows will remember everything you copy. Like at this time, you see recent copies item here. It will include like text or links or even small files. And it's ready to paste anytime. This is super helpful if you are working on documents or emails or chatting. No more back and forth just to copy again. And okay, maybe that's it. Just try Windows plus V and you will never copy paste the old way again. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.